Hey guys and gals, let's say hello to the dog. There's Camo, Dozer, Neela, Silver, the squirrel. Oh, there's Tootsie. It is windy as heck here in Nevada today. The old windmill's going to beat heck. You can see that, there it is. Looks cool on here. Looks like it's not spinning at all, but believe me, it's going to be crazy. So not much going to happen today. And thank again everybody once again for helping us make 100 subscribers. Now we're working towards the 200. It's kind of hard to put out videos when the weather doesn't cooperate. So I apologize for not getting any videos out. I'm just going to do this one to keep in touch, let you know we're still here, but the weather's not cooperating. Also, it's too much a month at the end of the money. So anyway, God bless everybody. Support your troops. Like and subscribe our page, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. All right, later. Hey guys and gals, just want to close out this video. Man, needs to get something done. I found some more putty and used up all the putty on the redneck toy hauler, and I got my 10th battery put back in my battery box. So now I'm gonna guess I'm gonna watch Law and Order for a while, and we had to cancel golfing like I said before. So alright guys, thanks for your support. Now we're shooting for 200. God bless everybody. Support your troops. They're the reason we're here, being free and doing what we love. Alright, God bless everybody, and I'll catch you next time.